Instagram is going to hide negative comments on posts. It's going to do it kind of automatically. This seems weird. How are they going to know what is a negative post? What words are they searching for? They don't share any of that information. But everybody's trying to improve the feeling. It gets kind of negative, I guess, on social media, and then people get upset and then they don't post as much. Is that what happens?
Yes.
So I guess Instagram feels like, hey, if we can determine that a comment is negative in advance and stop it from getting on there, then the whole community is super happy and they're all posting so much more, and it's a beautiful, inclusive environment. I don't know. I mean, that's the idea of it.
Yeah.
So Instagram said Tuesday will automatically hide negative comments in posts, a new step that they're taking to reduce bullying and harassment. You're going to need to click a button to view hidden comments to see the negative comments, and they're going to tweak their warning feature. So if you write a comment, Will, that could be perceived as potentially offensive, then Instagram will tell you before you click post, hey, man, that's mean. You don't want to post that. And then it will say, and then you'll be like, yes, I do. Boom. And you'll post it anyway. At which point then it will be hidden. However, they take it a step further. They say this may go against our guidelines. It will likely be hidden, and Instagram may investigate whether to delete your account. If you're hating too much.
A record.
If you're hating too much.
Yeah. Whoa, that's potentially quite dangerous.
Yeah, so this is kind of a big deal because now it's up to them to determine what they perceive as being negative, and they're really attempting to manipulate the conversation. And some would say, oh, that's a positive thing. I can see that angle. But others could say, well, who watches The Watchmen? Who
Great
knows movie. Who knows how they're utilizing that power? Now, there's always been power that comes along with the algorithmic approach to anything, because who gets to decide what bubbles up? You would have certain comments which were more visible anyways just because they came from a popular account, let's say. Or they got more votes or something like this. But when it comes to actually hiding comments, when it comes to actually removing comments, when it comes to actually potentially banning accounts, well, then you start questioning who's the judge and jury. Who gets to determine how negative a comment was and all the rest of it. So it gets my wheels turning a little bit on that.
Yeah.
But yeah, they can't go into too much detail. I presume in their minds, they're saying we just want people on the platform as long as possible, and we want advertisers to feel comfortable there. And if we can get rid of some level of negativity, we're gonna make more money. I mean, that's got to be the incentive on some level for all this stuff.
Yeah, and to what degree? Like, how sophisticated is their algorithm to know what's a insult or like a negative post?
It's tough. And let's say, for example, you get the content warning. Hey, that might be perceived as negative. And you just sit there and think, well, I don't want to get my account banned, so it's going to be tough for me to still click post. And then what? All the comment sections are just rainbows and lollipops? What is reality? I mean, I'm not saying the internet or the comment section was ever reality, but I'm just saying.
I guess maybe there is a benefit to having that, hey, are you sure to post?
Hey, are you sure?
Because it gives them time to kind of maybe rethink instead of just anger tweeting or anger posting.
Yeah, I know. But is this how we want things to be governed? Wouldn't you just hope that people could just manage themselves?
Yeah.
I mean, that'd be great. But yeah, we'll see how it goes down. I don't know. Some people might get a kick out of getting that warning. Some people might.
It might be a meme.
This is the thing as well about the idea of banning someone or blocking someone, and whether or not that solves the issue, or if that person then becomes more motivated towards negative behavior online because they get sort of pushed out to the outskirts, and then all of a sudden they're on whatever site, whatever forum, and they're chatting with other people who have also been banned because then they can all hate together instead of being in the public sphere at all.
Yeah.
Can be risky from that front as well. Anyway, we'll see about the implementation. You know, social media, man. They got their agendas.
Yep.
They got their initiatives. Well,